What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we're going to be doing something that I didn't really want to do, and let me go ahead and show you what happened and why. Before we do that, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and for all of my old subscribers as well as new, if you guys enjoyed this video, please press that thumb button. Press the thumbs up button. Oh my goodness. If you can't already tell right now, I'm holding some weird looking devices. If you're a natural owned Z owner, you know exactly what today is going to be all about. What I have in hand here is a pair of Z door handles. Unfortunately, the opening piece for my Z handle on the stock system broke, so I was not able to open my door this past Sunday, and it was giving me a huge headache having to open the doors, having to hold the key and pretty much unlock the door from in the inside. And yeah, so I got tired of it. I went and bought some black door handles because I was considering painting these, but since this is already broken, we're just gonna go ahead and make that little switch. I don't think it should be too hard. We'll see what happens. And yeah, so let me show you how my problem consists. Just make a pause to why every time I don't drive this car for just 1 week, and then I end up getting a huge spider web. I don't know if you guys are able to see or tell where it's at, but I have a disgusting spider web right here, and I'm getting real upset about it. I don't understand. All right, so let me show you how I have to open my door. So the door's unlocked, mind you, with the key. Oh my God, no juice. Roll the window down and be the ghetto guy to come right here and open up his Z from the inside. So I took apart the door that same Sunday in the middle of a parking lot. Figured out it was out bad, and yeah. So I'll show you what it is, but it's inside. It's the piece inside here that helps unlock the door. The plastic thing that holds and molds onto it broke, and I have part of it in my car. Hopefully I still have it, because if not, so you see this little thing right here, the little baby piece. So this thing right here, let me spot it for you guys. This connects to the black part, the door handle, and it snapped off. You can see how it looks. Let me show you what it looks like on the new ones. These nicely, freshly done black handles. So this is the outside of the door handle. This is what is important here. So this is where it hooks onto. That piece just completely snapped off. And then what I have to do now is use this old piece and hook it back onto here. Right here. I can pull my camera correctly, but I have to hook this bad boy back onto here and put it back in the door handle. It'll make more sense when we get to the shop, but yeah, let's do that. Letting the car warm up, and then we can go. All right, so we're here, about to go ahead and get started. I always keep my keys right on the top here, never lose them. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Stop talking. All right, it's really easy to work on this to get the door handle out. So there's a bolt right here on the very end of the door, as you guys can see here. There's gonna be A1 at the bottom, which is right here, which is missing because I accidentally dropped it. But we're gonna go find it and fish it out with a magnet. And yeah, and then this door handle here flies right off. I'm gonna do that off probably on camera so you guys can see what that looks like. Next thing you got is these two bolts here to remove it from the latching mechanism for the lock, I believe. Yes, this is for the lock. It's supposed to be two bolts. I only have one for some strange reason, but you take one of these off, this whole door handle should come completely off. But as you can see, here's the damage from the old door handle. This is what I was talking about earlier in the other video. This is all nicely chipped and broke, so I was not able to unlock my door. But we will have the resolution for that, and let's continue on with the video. Alright, now both door handles are, well, this door handle is off. Took off the locking thing right there. That's where you put your key in. Now I'm going to explain to you how to put in this piece on the new door handle. Shouldn't be that hard. It's really easy, self-explanatory. So yeah, if not, we'll get right to it. So this here's the what we're going to be working on. Now this silver latch goes in here. This is what helps open the door. So previous one, this area here was broken, as you can see on the old one, very closely in there, so we rendered it useless. We have the new one right here, so what we have to do is put this fish line that fishes into the door and helps unlock the door with the mechanism the Nissan has. So all you have to really do is fish this through here. So first thing you do, you're gonna want to push this down in here in this little hole for a mechanism. Use the one that comes with this door, because the one that comes on the stock door fits a little bit different and is loose, so it'll probably pop out. So what you're gonna have to do is just force it in that guy. What I'm doing now. And I'll get back to you guys when I have it all the way through. It's a little bit tight fit, so yeah. I'll be right back. Alright, so now it's on there. You can see, push this in first, then you just slide it back into its socket. It's really not hard. Gotta get this to focus up a little bit. But yeah, this side is done. So now all we have to do is put the locking mechanism first, then put the 2 bolts that hold the door on, and that's it. We should be good to go. Actually, that's pretty cool. I just realized that second bolt is the bolt that holds, I believe, the door, this door handle down on that side. So I wasn't missing any bolts. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I won't record putting it back on. I'll just record putting this back in its place. We got one door handle on completely. Works just as it should. You can see here, open the door. Pops right open. Nice, very easy. Don't know what the other side looks like because I haven't taken that apart, and it works still. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same thing minus the key lock. So let's see. Yep, same 2 bolts. Take those out. Once we take those out, we're just, I guess, replace it same way we did the other door. I won't record that so I can save time for myself in this video. So yeah, if it's different, I'll record. If it's not, then I won't. Alrighty. That was as simple as I said. 2 bolts. The whole thing came right off. There's no locking mechanism for this side of the car. So all we have to do next is just put it in just like we did the last one. Stick it in that little hoop on the door. This little hoop that goes in there. Once you put it in there, pretty much solid, and you get this thing running. Well, not running, but door opening. How about that? Haha. Alrighty, all of them are done now. I don't know if I've already said it in the last one, but yeah, man, we are good to go. Look at that beauty right there. All the doors open as they should. Nice little touch, and they pop. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, but yeah, I think I've decided we're getting another bumper. This is starting to get really annoying. KBD stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna get exactly yet, but enough of that. The problem child driver's side door has been fixed. All right, I figured it out. Door's opening back up again. It was just a tad bit off. Pulled it together, it's working out. We're gonna see. I'm gonna give you guys a follow-up video on these door handles. But yeah, we're pretty much done here. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed installing these and the look. Hope to catch you guys in the next one. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe out here. Love you all. Bye.
a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.